Hi friends! Oh, I'm in focus because we're doing this on my phone right now. But I'm starting my gallery wall today. We are mapping it out with some scrap wrapping paper, and this is going to be one of many gallery walls that we have in the house. Very excited. We've been living here for almost 6 years now and we don't have any pictures up anywhere. We have a few art pieces up, and by a few I mean like 2. These are going to be our doggy portraits. They're all right here right now. So let's get started. I'm very excited about this, to finally like make this house a home. We've done so many renovations, but like DIY aesthetic renovations, and not so much like we're hauling and gutting everything out, except for the shower upstairs. We did do that, and that was stressful. We did that in September. It was a lot. Gallery wall, gallery wall, gallery wall. All right, let's get to it. Hey Google, play Mariah Carey Christmas. All right, so we have a 5x7, 2 5x7s, and I believe that, I don't know what size that is. We'll add that in later. But I'm using these command hooks. They are the damage-free hanging, hold strong, removes cleanly, and it is these clear ones with the hooky things to do photos, and I'm hoping that they work for this. Oh crap. It's these. I hope these work. And that it doesn't look ridiculous on the wall. Yes, okay. So it'll sit like this on the wall. Actually, I don't know if I like that. Let's see. Let's try this one. It's not gonna work. Okay. Let's see. I mean, should be fine, right? I think it should be fine. Will it be fine? Yeah. It'll be fine. All this stuff makes me very nervous. It's not permanent, but it's still like, wow, putting stuff on my walls. It took a very long time to paint these walls. I'm not gonna cry. He's 8 now. I upgraded my tripod to Dion because he jinxed me. I wasn't recording for this, but it looks really good. I found these 2 pictures of Beerus, and I don't know which one to put. Which one should I put?
The left one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Is he going like this?
Mm-hmm.
We'll do this one. And the picture that I want of Camilla, I cannot find, so we're gonna have to reprint that one. Yes! You're gonna go at the top of the tower because I can't find your picture.
straighten it out.